Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Zoho Invoice Connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now select the domain of your Zoho account. Now select the order mapping in Zoho Invoice. All OpenCart orders will sync to the selected entity type. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now copy the redirect URI from here. Click User icon button present at top of the page to generate client ID and secret. It will open the Zoho login page. Log in with your account. If this is your first app, then click Get Started button, otherwise you will see the Add Client, so click that. Select server-based applications in client type. Add any client name. Add home page URL of your site. Add authorized redirect URIs as displayed in module setting and click Create. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save. Now click Keys button to generate tokens. Click Accept. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting like Zoho Organization ID. You may get it from your Zoho account. Go to your Zoho Invoice account, click User icon at top right corner, click Manage. Now copy the organization ID from here and paste in module setting. Next field is Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which OpenCart orders will sync to Zoho Invoice. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of OpenCart orders that will be synced to Zoho Invoice. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the Zoho Invoice menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from OpenCart to Zoho Invoice. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Zoho Invoice also. See customers are present in Zoho Invoice. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in Zoho Invoice. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.